Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, here in the U.S., summer is in full swing. In my part of the South, it's hot as blue blazes. So that means one thing. It's time to start planning for the 4th of July, our Independence Day here in America. I know lots of my subscribers are from Europe and other parts of the globe. So in the comment section below, be sure and let me know what patriotic day you celebrate and the traditions that surround it. But for today, I've set a patriotic stars and stripes tablescape. I've got lots of red, white, and blue, so let's look around the table. I'm using a fun tablecloth that I found on eBay. It has a royal blue background, I suppose to represent the night sky with stars, and then we have the firecrackers bursting in air. There's red, white, and blue. I'm going to be using my star chargers. These have got little cutouts of stars around the edge in a bright red. Mother found those for me at a thrift store. I'm using flag plates that I found at Kohl's. I ordered these online, and they've got the stars and stripes of Old Glory. I'm going to use red dinner napkins today. I'm going to use my red-handled flatware. I found these cute little hors d'oeuvre plates at Hobby Lobby this year. They too have the flag motif. I'm going to use them as bread and butter plates. For my glasses, I have this fun set. They're vintage. I believe I got them years ago at an antique mall, and one's red, one's white, and one's blue. And I'm also going to use my red cupcake stands. I found these at Hobby Lobby. Here for my centerpieces today, I've got these live plants. They're called Crystal Peak. They're a perennial. I picked them up at Lowe's. I've just put them in some simple little clay pots that I've spray painted red, and I've added a few little miniature flags in around the base. But I selected these for their white blooms, and they'll go in the garden later. And in between, I have red, white, and blue lanterns. And I've just put white candles in them. These are actually yard lanterns. I have 6 of them, and I use them out in the yard too, on the steps, and I've used them on the railings. And they are electrified, but I've just removed the little cord and light bulb and put a candle in to have them the old-fashioned way. Here at this end of the table, I've got a red cake stand. I bought a pair of these at Walmart. I believe I got these last year. And I thought they would be perfect for the 4th of July. Speaking of traditions, we usually have homemade barbecue. Mother makes it in the crock pot. It's wonderful. It's better than anything you can get at a barbecue joint. So we usually have that. And then along with that, she always makes peanut butter pie. So that'd be perfect to put on one of these cake stands. Here at this end of the table, I've got a fun little patriotic picture. It has stripes on one side and stars on the other. And Mother got me this at a thrift store. This tablescape would be great on a picnic table outside. But guys, we usually opt to eat inside here because in the South, the humidity is so awful right now. And the mosquitoes will eat you up too. So, if you're in a part of the country where you can eat outdoors, that's great. But as for me, I'm going to stay in. I just love these little hors d'oeuvre plates. I think they're so cute. And I started looking for a tablecloth a while back. I first had one in mind, maybe with stars and stripes, but then I ran across the fireworks and I thought that was really unique. I never saw one quite like that. At this end of the table, I've got a chip and dip. It's got stars and the stripes. Actually, it's almost plaids here, but it has that patriotic feel. I believe I picked that up at Goodwill. And as you can see here in the back, there's the little hole that the electric light goes in for the lanterns. But I'm just going to repurpose them today. And as you can see, I've got the white mug here. And at the other end, I've got the blue mug. I also have a set of these mugs that are entirely red. I think they're probably from the late 50s or 1960s. If I was guessing, they're probably anchor hocking, but I'm not for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy 4th of July. Bye-bye now.